It's not a picture, man.
Video.
It's video.
I enroll at Milo Best. Swimming lessons, basketball. Swimming lessons to basketball.
I'm not drunk. Still okay. And fuck the hell out of here. Okay?
What do you do for fun?
What do you do? What do you do for fun?
Yeah, Roy. May's not coming.
Make the comment, Roy.
What can you say about your life, Roy? You've been drunk for a while, and you were drinking for 40 years.
You're very drunk, Bart.
Yeah.
No.
Your turn.
It's not my turn yet.
Okay na, ano na sa flow ah.
Ayun, lumabas na! What the fuck? Lasing na si Roy! Yan ang sinasabi!
Nope. Nope. Still alive. So, how's the drug deal going?
Yeah, man, you're drunk. I know you're drunk.
Gago.
Patext mo na daw. Patext mo na daw.
Ilang download, sabi mo.
Ano, sa akin na lang.
Ayun na lalaki. Teka lang. Oh.
Hello? Jerome, sabi niya, ayaw niya daw eh.
Taktado.
Ayaw pa-load ni Jarel.
Sige, ako na lang magte-text. Hello? Naputol, patay.
Lubat?
Oh, ba't?
Sagot ako pa pinama kay Oliver.
Very
Ha?
drunk party.
Ako pinama
This phone is very drunk party.
Text mo na lang.
Then,
Sabi mo, yun na lang number mo, gamitin mo muna. Text mo na lang muna. Nandiyan naman yung phone mo eh. Yeah! That's my dog.
Ayaw mag-workout, boy. Ayaw mag-workout.
That's my dog. Yeah. That's my other dog. That's my other dog. That's my third dog. No, that's Roy. That's Roy. That's Roy. Sorry. And
Roy,
say, play dead, Roy. Play dead.
say you enrolled at swimming
I'm drunk.
lessons sa basketball.
Milo Best. Nag-enroll ako sa lesson sa basketball.
Pakinggan ko nga.
Let me see.
Let me see. You're some kind of French? Let me see.